Hey, what's up my viewers, my subscriber? Welcome to the Dogecoin new latest update video. If you just only open this video, then my brother, this is just 2-minute video. Kindly must watch completely, because in this video I will give you something very secret and definitely very important information about Dogecoin. Absolutely about price, about my friends, the moving upward, the market circulation, the volume. Everything is totally going to be changed now, because the CEO, my friends, special message, absolutely very special, my brother, for all of you now. Definitely, my friend, I think 1 month ago, my brothers, if you check out my previous videos, so definitely before, I think 1 month, so definitely I will clearly told you, my brothers, today will again, when they hit 0.7 USD dollar, and the price will again falls down to 0.1 USD dollar. So definitely I make one special video, and definitely it's also secret video. So definitely I will tell my viewers to, in upcoming days there is 100% chance to Dogecoin will hit again 0.7 USD dollar. So definitely that's all is going to be real now. Absolutely, as you can see here, I have approved my viewers, my subscribers. Check out my previous video. Alright, so this time, as you can see here, 0.92% profit, and the price is moving up from 1 USD dollar to 0.1 to 0.3 USD dollar, and definitely the price is totally going to be increasing now. Alright, so if you know, my friends, the price is increasing, so tell me, what are you doing? Selling, holding, or buying? I am 100% sure, my brothers, to you will be starting buying now. My brothers, don't see this short fail, minus 5.39% level lost now, but definitely, as you can see here, my friends, this is just in only August 18 to August, I think, 20. But after that, my brother, the last 10 days of every month, every coin will move upward now. So therefore, August 20 to, my friend, you can see here, they will again starting moving upward now, and definitely, my friend, you can see here, they will again recover this lost here now. So it's clear, my brothers, to upcoming days they will give you a profit. So why are you starting selling? Kindly hold it, and I am 100% sure to upcoming days the Dogecoin price will increasing. So it's a very good profit time. Please don't miss this chance and take a risk and get a profit. So holders, please, hope you understand. Remember, this is not a financial video. I just advise you, please, for more this type informative video, you need to subscribe this channel and press bell icon for videos notification.